fan for a while to empty the last ammonia of the coil. Now temperature is starting to decrease, which means that the coil is empty. It's been running production for about 18 hours. The product is green and it's in capacity between 7 and 8 tons per hour. The bed is pretty clean. It's basically free for the airflow.
Jag brukar inte avflussa. Jag tar denna. Så bra.
Water just started to flow and temperature is going to be heating up to 35 degrees. Water pressure is about 6-7 bars. Temperature of the water is 35 degrees. Just after a few minutes we have melted almost all the snow on the coil. We're cleaning a little bit over the coil to get the full movement, and so we can start spraying water into the coil with the coil cleaning system. We're cleaning on the special places where snow has accumulated, so we can release it and let the water from the spray balls act down on all the surfaces. Second part of the coil is only by the water from the spraying system getting very clean. We started the coil cleaning where we're blowing or spraying water into the coil with high pressure. You can see the water is coming through the coil from above. The water is also 7-8 bar and has a temperature of 35 degrees. It takes out the freeze and some of the remaining snow that might be in the coil.
This is with the air pump. They're still not rotating.
After 13-minute production, we are getting the trees are pretty clean from snow on the area of the coil, on the bed, walking along. You can see pretty clean. Nice movement, no snow left. Very good flow, no snow left. That looks very good at the end as well. 15 minutes of cleaning over.